Well, welcome to mid-Norfolk. Not the usual view you expect to get on a gardening video, but if you're undertaking building work in an established garden like this, then you've got to expect some collateral damage, and it's always going to be a little more collateral and extended than you expect. Dig again, we called it when we videoed the barn conversion and how we're coming on with this, but it's going to be an interesting project reclaiming this garden under these boards which are being put down to protect, and I say protect colloquially, it's not really doing much in the way of protecting anything, but it's certainly giving them a dry surface so they're not digging into massive amount of mud. Is a garden. The paths that led down to our footpath exit into the National Trust have been dug up, drains have been laid, relaid, and the vegetable garden that we've shown you on so many videos now has a track to track right through the middle, and it's going to have quite a big redesign. That beautiful shrub rose has had to be hard pruned back, other roses dug up and moved to create a new path which will come from the back of this barn right the way through here to an area where we're going to create a seating area and a focal point from that window at the base of this garden. So quite a bit of redevelopment, and part of what we're going to show you throughout this season is the progress that we make and how quickly you can recover a garden from a building site covered in brick dust, trenches, building tools, power cables and the odd mini digger, back to what we hope will be a beautiful display garden full of bulbs, herbaceous, roses and peonies, tulips, oxeye daisies and a little productive vegetable plot as well, we hope. So do follow us over the course of this season while we reclaim and renovate this beautiful kitchen garden here in Norfolk. Thanks for watching.